Good morning, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel, Sir Abdul Sattar Khan. My favorite sportsman, Virat Kohli, English speech for 9th, 10th, 11th, and 12th students. Let's begin. My favorite sports person. Good morning, everyone, and welcome to my presentation. First of all, let me thank you all for coming here today. Let me start by saying a few words about my own background. As you can see on the screen, our topic today is my favorite sports person. My favorite cricketer is Virat Kohli. He was born in Delhi on 5 November 1988. His father's name is Prem Kohli and his mother's name is Saroj Kohli. He was the captain of the under 19 team which won the under 19 World Cup. He is one of the finest batsmen of our country. Now Virat is captain of Indian cricket team. I like him because he has a very positive attitude and is very confident and aggressive on the field. With his consistent performance, he produced many memorable moments in cricket and helped India to win many matches. He is currently the Indian team captain and is rated as one of the best batsmen in the world. He is also a Padma Shri and Arjuna Award winner. Virat Kohli has already scored 28 centuries in one-day matches and 17 centuries in Test cricket. He is the fastest Indian batsman to get 1000 international runs and has already won the Man of the Match award 22 times. He is one of the finest Indian player in the history of cricket. Irrespective of whether you have talent or not, one has to work hard. Just being talented doesn't mean anything. You can end up wasting it before you realize. विराट कोहली। उम्मीद है आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगली वीडियो में दोबारा मुलाकात होगी। खुदा हाफिज़।